Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating two distinct chords. Pick any two that are not parallel and don't coincide. Once chosen, mark their endpoints of B and CD clearly and draw them with a straight edge so the lines sit inside the circle. You do this because the perpendicular bisectors of chords meet at the center, so starting with well-defined chords speeds the process. Make sure the chords cross different parts of the circle. If they look nearly parallel, pick another pair to avoid geometric instability. You now construct perpendicular bisectors for each chord using a compass and straight edge. Set the compass radius longer than half the chord, draw arcs from both endpoints so two arcs intersect on both sides. Repeat for the other chord. Once intersection pairs are visible, draw a straight line through each pair. That line is the perpendicular bisector. You do this because every perpendicular bisector passes through the circle's center. Once done, double-check bisectors, look straight and clean before proceeding. You finish by locating the single intersection point of the two perpendicular bisectors. That point is the circle's center. Once identified, verify by placing the compass at that point and checking equal radii to multiple points on the circumference. If radii match, you're done. If they do not, make sure your bisectors were drawn accurately. Small compass slips or unequal arc radii cause errors. As a troubleshooting tip, redraw the problematic chord and its bisector with a steadier hand and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.